Okay, we have a Colchester-Harrison CNC and manual gap bed engine lathe, model 1550XM, serial number X4M015. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a GE Fanuc 21ITB alpha control. The machine also has C-axis capability with a live tool. You have a Dorian tool post, model SDN60EA, and a 15-inch 3-jaw Pratt & Bernard chuck. We're going to run her for you. Right now we're running in the low range. The spindle in the low range goes up to 224 RPM. In the high range, up to 2,000. What's the speed in the low range? 100. 100 in the low range. Machine has a 4.09, or basically a 4-inch through hole, 4.09, with a D111 camlock for mounting a chuck. Right now we're shifting. 200 RPM. (350 RPM). Spindle brake. We're going to shift into high. Shifting. 400 in the high range, and we're going to go up. Now the machine has 21.81 inch swing, 32.68 in the gap by 120 inch centers. You have 14.5 inch swing over the cross side. What's that RPM up to? That was 600. We're going to go a bit higher. Yeah. That's 750 RPM. 1,000 RPM. Okay. Machine also does have a manual tailstock. In it, you have a live center. Tailstock's taper in the quill is number 6 Morse taper. It's a 5 and 0.375 inch tailstock travel. Right now he's moving the carriage with the pulse generator or a hand wheel feature. And that's the cross. Also rapid. Okay. And again, just move the tailstock quill out. That's the tailstock quill, heavy duty. And the waves are hardened and ground. Okay, okay, show the sliding door. Okay, that's it. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.